Welcome to Competitive Exams in Focus. Today we are going to discuss the conduction system of human heart. Let's get started. Your heart's conduction system is the network of nodes, specialized cells and electrical signals that keep your heart beating. Two types of cells control your heartbeat. Number 1. Conducting cells carry the electric signals. Number 2. Muscle cells control your heart's contractions. Your heart cardiac conduction system sends the signal to start a heartbeat. It also sends signals that tell different parts of your heart to relax and contract, squeeze. This process of contracting and relaxing controls blood flow through your heart and to the rest of your body. Now discuss what are the steps of the heart conduction pathway. Your heart is a pump that sends blood through your body. For each heartbeat, electrical signals travel through the conduction pathway of your heart. It starts when your sinoatrial SA node creates an excitation signal. This electrical signal is like electricity traveling through wires to an appliance in your home. The excitation signal travels firstly to your atria, top heart chambers, telling them to contract. After that to your atrioventricular AV node, delaying the signal until your atria are empty of blood. After that to the bundle of his center bundle of nerve fibers, carrying the signal to the Purkinje fibers. At last to the Purkinje fibers to your ventricles, bottom heart chambers, causing them to contract. These steps make up one full contraction of your heart muscle. Your heart conduction system sends out thousands of signals per day to keep your heart beating. How does electrical conduction perform with the rest of your heart? The electrical signals that travel through your heart conduction system cause your heart to expand and contract. These contractions control how blood flows through your heart. Ideally, the electrical conduction system keeps up a steady, even heart rate. It also helps your heart speed up when you need more blood and oxygen or slow down when it's time to rest. What are the parts of the cardiac conduction system? Your cardiac conduction system contains specialized cells and nodes that control your heartbeat. These are the sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle of his atrioventricular bundle, Purkinje fibers. Now we discuss what are the parts of the cardiac conduction system. Your cardiac conduction system contains specialized cells and nodes that control your heartbeat. These are the sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle of his atrioventricular bundle, Purkinje fibers. Sinoatrial node. Your sinoatrial node is sometimes called your heart's natural pacemaker. It sends the electrical impulses that start the heartbeat. The SAW node is in the upper part of your heart's right atrium. It is at the edge of your atrium near your superior vena cava, vein that brings oxygen poor blood from your body to your heart. Your autonomic nervous system controls how fast or slowly your SAW node sends electrical signals. This part of the nervous system directs hormones that control your heart rate based on what you are doing. For example, your heart rate increases during exercise and slows when you are asleep. The autonomous nervous system includes your sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight response, makes your SAW node work faster, which increases your heart rate. Parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest response, makes your SAW node work slower, which decreases your heart rate. Atrioventricular node. The atrioventricular node delays the SAW node's electrical signal. It delays the signal by a consistent amount of time, a fraction of a second each time. The delay ensures that your atria are empty of blood before the contraction stops. The atria are the heart's upper chambers. They receive blood from your body and empty it into the ventricles. Your AV node is located in an area known as the triangle of Koch, located between the septal leaflet of the tricuspid valve, the coronary sinus and the membranous portion of the interatrial septum. This is near the central area of the heart. Bundle of his. The bundle of his is also called the atrioventricular bundle. It is a branch of fibers, nerve cells, that extends from your AV node. This fiber bundle receives the electrical signal from the AV node and carries it to the Purkinje fibers. The bundle of his runs down the length of the interventricular septum, the structure that separates your right and left ventricles. The bundle of his has two branches. Left bundle branch sends electrical signals through the Purkinje fibers to your left ventricle. Right bundle branch sends electrical signals through the Purkinje fibers to your right ventricle. Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers are branches of specialized nerve cells. They send electrical signals very quickly to your right and left heart ventricles. Your Purkinje fibers are in the subendocardial surface of your ventricle walls. The subendocardial surface is part of the endocardium, the inner layer of tissue that lines your heart's chambers. When the Purkinje fibers deliver electrical signals to your ventricles, the ventricles contract. As they contract, blood flows from your right ventricle to your pulmonary arteries and from your left ventricle to your aorta. The aorta is the body's largest artery. It sends blood from your heart to the rest of your body. That was all about conduction system of heart. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe our channel.